Hi, my name is Mikal Jones from the Culinary Institute of Michigan, and today we have a special presentation of the Smoky Cherry Bourbon Blast. For the rim, we have a Cajun spice that we made, and it's a mixture of smoked paprika, we have some garlic powder in there, some onion salt in there, as well as some regular black pepper and some sea salt. For our other ingredients that you will need is you will need Jim Beam's bourbon, but if you were making a mocktail version of that, all you will have to do is just replace it with water. You'll also need lemon juice here. We also have some honey simple syrup, as well as some orange juice and grenadine. So first things first, you're going to start off by taking your glass here and you want to soak that around in some of that honey simple syrup. And then you want to coat that with the Cajun spice here. So then once you have gotten that spice on your rim, you want to take your glass and you want to fill that with ice. So we're just going to add about 1 ounce of honey simple syrup into the drink, like so. For our cherry effect, we're going to add 1 ounce of our grenadine. And then next for our ingredients is we have our orange juice, and we're going to actually add 1.5 ounces of that. We're going to add some lemon juice. And then last but not least, the most important ingredient of all, we have our Jim Beam bourbon. And it also really helps break out that Cajun spice that you have in the drink, and it blends very, very well with it. And then when we have all of our ingredients, we're just going to give that a stir. To add a touch to it, we have our garnish here, as well as our cute bumblebee to represent the honey that we have in the drink. There you have our Smoky Cherry Bourbon Blast. Visit your local Kroger for all the high-quality ingredients that you need to make this delicious drink at home. You can get this cocktail or mocktail at the Festival Bar on 6th Street, right next to the Baker College Americana Music Stage. A portion of the proceeds actually goes to the Open Hands Pantry that's located in Royal Oak. Help to fight hunger by trying a Smoky Cherry Bourbon Blast today.